Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up their Canon printers for scanning? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Install software. First, install the MF Scan utility on your computer. This software allows your device to communicate with the printer efficiently. Step 2. Connect printer. Connect the printer to the same network as your computer. Use either a wireless or wired LAN connection. Step 3. Open utility. Open the MF Scan utility on your computer and select the printer you wish to scan from. Step 4. Select destination. On the printer's panel, choose the scan function and set your computer as the destination for the scanned documents. Step 5. Start scanning. Start scanning using either the MF Scan utility or directly from the printer's panel and ensure your documents save correctly. By following these steps, you should now be able to scan documents using your Canon printer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.